Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Igama lami nginguMbongigazi Anneliza Wagomasango. Those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys. Thank you for all the love, the support. Galibona, Instagram, Facebook. I see you guys and I appreciate it. So I decided to renovate my room. Kabutaka nidili plain white. And then I decided for what change color monyako. Room agama nili plain and dull. So karno man room e oga serikya a poet, Annalisa Mbongigazi. Also it look at that life, it look at that vavavoom. So I decided, let me paint the cupboard dark blue le monyako, at least the le color nyana, because I think color ele mo lebotaneng ke cream white. So I think cream white with a touch of dark blue will be good. So yeah, this is the final product. And welcome back to my channel. So today I decided for get party the paintings the Queen and from Queen from MK Designs and Magoya Kasi. So Kotona Fati Galabonsatona, and I get a video it look like today or because ring light there. So let's